Today we are adding a fun and stylish playing cards reveal animation to your videos, great for magic tricks, poker edits, casino themed content, or simply adding a unique opener to your reel. Let's get started. First, import your clip into CapCut and tap to select it. Now, go to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, effects are applied directly onto the clip from the categories. Open the Intro and Outro tab. Here, look for an effect called Poker Party, then tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see animated playing cards flying across the screen, revealing your video underneath. It gives a stylish, casino like entry that works great for fast paced edits. To customize the animation, tap on the effect again. You'll find a speed slider. Increase the speed for a quick, energetic card reveal. Slow it down for a smoother, dramatic opening. You can also stretch or shorten the effect on the timeline to decide how long the card animation remains on screen. And that's it. You've just added a playing cards reveal animation in CapCut Mobile, simple, stylish, and perfect for unique intros. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.